Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here, and I've been a big fan of Google's Pixel Buds that they've come out with in the past. They fit very well, they sounded great, so I'm very excited about the new Pixel Buds Pro that Google actually sent over. We got a little bit of an early access with these. These wireless earbuds have active noise cancellation. There's even a dedicated chip that runs Google's algorithms to help cancel out noise and fine tune it. So I'm really excited to test it out and see how good the active noise cancellation is. Now we are gonna take a quick look what comes inside the box, get it paired. I have my brand new Pixel 6a that Google also sent over right here. And then of course, after setup, we will try them on and take a closer look at the earbuds. So let's get started with the Pixel Buds Pro unboxing. Here are the new Pixel Buds Pro from Google with active noise cancellation. Again, in that fog color. Opening up the box, we have our case right here. Again, wireless charging capabilities with this case. Setting it to the side for now. Let's see what else we get. Inside, safety guide and just getting started instructional kit, but also a little paper tube here, which is unique. I guess it's a little bit different. It comes with the medium tips installed. However, there's also small and large that come with it. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I'm gonna need the larger tips probably installed just because I have some pretty big ears, but there are small, medium, and large tips. And on to what you came to see, the Pixel Buds Pro. Again, very similar case that you've seen in previous Pixel Buds. You have just a pairing button there, USB Type-C for charging. Opening it up, there is an indicator light right there, and here are our new Pixel Buds Pro. Again, in my opinion, best color you can get. That's subjective, of course, with the medium tips installed. A little bit interesting, there wasn't a cable included in the box, so you're going to have to provide your own charger, whether it be wireless or USB Type-C for charging. Just a close-up of the buds. In my opinion, very good looking. They don't have the standard hook that the other previous Pixel Buds had. Let's go ahead and take one of the tips off. You'll see it's just fairly simple to replace them, but just wanted to give a look at what they look like without any of the tips. Obviously, I'm going to put the large ones on, and let's get these buds set up with my new Pixel 6a. Here is our new Google Pixel 6a. More to come on this device. I will link to the unboxing video down below. But opening up the earbuds, it should have fast pair capabilities, so it should recognize the earbuds right away. Okay, maybe it took another couple seconds. However, there they are, the Pixel Buds Pro. Let's hit connect. Your device is ready to be set up. Hit set up and get everything going. It lets me know Pixel Buds Pro connected, 100% battery. So we are good to go. However, we can go into the system settings to actually customize our device with the different shortcuts. Since it's Google, you get the option to activate the Google Assistant with your earbuds. I believe you can customize the left or right earbud to activate the Assistant. So if you would like to, you obviously don't have to use the Assistant, but I'm going to walk through all of these steps to get results on your headphones and personal results. That's up to you if you'd like that. So you can use your voice to activate the Assistant, but again, there are touch controls on both of the earbuds that we are going to go through now. So let's go through settings of the Pixel Buds Pro. 100% charge on all three. There is a firmware update available. We're going to apply that, of course. So let's actually start that through. Our buds are updated. Everything is all set, ready to go. There is a find device option to have them ring the right or left earbuds. I'm doing that now. It's increasing the volume slowly. You might not be able to hear it, but I can actually hear that. I'm not going to continue. Touch controls. Here is what I was talking about. Swipe forward and backward, raise, lower volume. I love having volume controls on the actual earbuds themselves. Some songs I want a little bit higher, some a little bit lower. Single, double, triple tap, pretty classic. Touch and hold with active noise cancellation. Let's customize that though, because I would like the left one to be the assistant. I would much rather have the Google Assistant in one of them and toggling the active noise cancellation, and there's a transparency mode to let noise in so you can hear things going on. And you don't have to use either active noise cancellation or transparency mode. You can have it just be off transparency or off active noise cancellation. It's up to you. Definitely like active noise cancellation or transparency, which lets that noise in. Going into sound settings, a couple options, but volume EQ will enhance bass and treble frequencies at lower volume levels. It's up to you if you'd like to have that on. Ear tip seal check, which obviously I'm going to have those in. I will put those in just a second and actually test those out. A couple noteworthy options. First of all, multi-point. Your headphones can connect to any two Bluetooth devices at the same time. Pretty important, so that's really nice to have. And audio switching can automatically switch between audio sources depending on what you're doing. So a couple of really nice settings to have. Finally, in-ear detection. If you take them out of your ears, it might pause the music if you want to have that on. Now that we have everything set up, let's try on the Pixel Buds Pro from Google for the first time. Setting it into my ear. A little bit different of a design than previous Pixel Buds. It does have that signature circle though, where that coloring is, but with them in my ears, they seem to be pretty secure, seem to have a solid fit. A little bit, you just kind of have to kind of bury it underneath the outside part of my ear. And generally, earbuds don't fit in my ears. Specific ones, I really have to have the gel tips, so it's nice that they have the gel tips for my ears. I can tell that the noise cancellation is on, so I just press and held that, and now I can hear my voice a lot more. So the transparency mode is on, so it lets that noise in, and if I press and hold again, it will actually turn on the active noise cancellation. And I believe I said for the left one to activate the Google Assistant. Okay, so it did work. It's actually talking back to me. It didn't actually activate anything on my phone. It did prompt me to hear notifications, so that's an option if you're interested in that. But again, I have it so press and hold on the right one, turns on transparency mode. Press and hold will turn on active noise cancellation. You can customize that like I said earlier. But the noise cancellation sounds pretty good. There's not a lot of outside noise going on around me, so I'm going to have to test that out a little bit more. Let's play a quick song. All right, I've got a song playing. Sounds good right now. I really just want to test out the volume. So again, swiping forward, it's getting much louder, so I can tell that it actually does, it's very responsive. So it's changing that volume as I'm doing it, and I'm doing it very quickly, so you can kind of quickly turn down the volume if something is too loud. That's really nice. Double tapping will skip the song. You'll see very responsive. It's working as it should. Tapping will just pause the music. So again, I really do like having volume controls on the earbuds themselves. It's very helpful and useful. And finally, just a closer look at what the buds look like in my actual ear. It doesn't have anything sticking out. It fits fairly flush with my head, so fairly flat. So I think these are better looking. I've always said this, the Pixel Buds have been just about the best looking earbuds in my opinion. I don't necessarily like the ones that kind of have something hanging off of them. And of course, you just take them out and set them back into that case to actually charge the buds. So that's just about it for me. I'm excited to really test these out, go walk around in louder areas. The one test that I always love is on an airplane, just with the engine noise, a lot of sounds coming in. So that's when you can really test that active noise cancellation. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. That is it for me on the Google Pixel Buds Pro. I hope you enjoyed the video. A lot more content coming soon. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.